The magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron, gyromagnetic ratio and Bohr magneton. Consider an atom with atomic number Z. It consists of Z number of protons and Z number of electrons. Let us consider an electron of charge E minus, which is revolving around the nucleus in an orbit of radius r. The nucleus is of charge plus Ze. Now, in this diagram, it has been represented that electron is revolving in the anti-clockwise direction. This constitutes a current in the opposite direction, that is in the clockwise direction, due to which this current loop acts as a magnetic dipole. The orbital magnetic moment of the dipole need to be calculated here. Now, the orbital magnetic moment of the electron is represented by the symbol mu L. If I is the current and A is the area of the loop, through this a current I is flowing in the clockwise direction and this loop is having area A. Then orbital magnetic moment equal to mu L, that is equal to I into A. Since R is the radius of the circular loop, mu L equal to I into pi r square. Already we know I is equal to charge per time, that is E divided by T, where E is the charge of one electron and T is the time taken for the electron to revolve around the nucleus. Also we know T equal to 2 pi r divided by V. 2 pi r is the length travelled by the electron and V is its velocity. So, if we substitute these values in mu L, we can write mu L equal to I is E by T, which is E by 2 pi r by V, that is EV by 2 pi r. Mu L equal to EV by 2 pi r into pi r square. We have substituted equation number 1 with I in terms of velocity. So mu L equal to EV divided by 2 pi r into pi r square, or pi get cancel out, r will get cancel out, so we get mu L equal to EVR divided by 2, which is the orbital magnetic moment of the electron. Next, let us see what is meant by gyromagnetic ratio. See, take the same equation, mu L equal to EVR divided by 2. We multiply and divide with Me, where Me is the mass of the electron. Value is not going to change. So here we take these together, M, E, R, B. M, E, R, B together. So if we combine, we can write E into Me into VR divided by 2Me, or that is equal to E by 2Me into angular momentum capital L. Capital L is MVR. Here M means mass of the electron, Me. So we got the equation mu L equal to E into capital L divided by 2me. Now, what is the ratio between orbital magnetic moment and angular momentum? That is mu L divided by capital L, which is equal to E divided by 2me. So this E and 2me ratio is called gyromagnetic ratio. It is the ratio between charge of the electron and mass of the electron. If we take half of this, that is the gyromagnetic ratio. And already we got gyromagnetic ratio is the ratio between orbital magnetic moment and angular momentum of the electron. That is equal to E by 2me. Now if you put the values of E and me, we get the value of gyromagnetic ratio as 8.8 into 10 to the power 10 coulomb per kilogram for an electron. Now this we can represent. Gyromagnetic ratio we can represent in terms of Bose quantization condition. According to Bose quantum condition, we know angular momentum equal to n times h by 2 pi, where n is the principal quantum number and h is the Planck's constant. Hence we write mu L divided by capital L equal to mu L divided by capital L is nh by 2 pi. That is, already we know this is E divided by 2me, that we substituted here. So from this we can write mu L is equal to nh into E divided by 4 pi into me. So we got another expression for orbital moment in terms of principal quantum number n. That is mu L equal to nh times E divided by 4 pi me. Now let us see what is meant by the term Bohr magneton. Now n is the principal quantum number. Now suppose the electron is in the first orbit. That is when n equal to 1. So when n equal to 1, we can write mu L equal to EH divided by 4 pi me. Now if you substitute the values of E, charge of the electron, H, Planck's constant, me, mass of the electron. If you are substituting, we get the value as 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. And this value is called Bohr magneton. This is Bohr magneton. Thank you.